It's the end of the day and me and Jinx is tired. Two black cats hanging out together on the front porch. I got Whitey in the truck. It's election year. If you go to the Attorney General's office, get my paperwork. If you go to the Maryland Black Caucus, get my paperwork. What's up? What's up? How y'all doing today? Go to Delegate Stephanie Smith and get my paperwork. Go to Mayor Brandon Scott. It's all about paperwork, all right? It's all about paperwork. See the date? February the 2nd, all right? I should have never been arrested. I should have never been prosecuted. I should have never been incarcerated. Y'all charged me with terrorism for blowing the whistle on your criminal enterprise of mass incarceration. Michelle Alexander wrote the book. I made the movie. And I ain't got to change nobody's name. Protect and create. That's art law crossword puzzle, all right? And that's from the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. It's Artscape, all right? Artscape 2026. Reclaiming Pennsylvania Avenue, Black Arts and Community, all right? That's Lady Breon. And we, like she said, we reclaiming Pennsylvania Avenue. It's notarized. Everything from 2006 to now. It's 20 years. Right here. That's my bio. Shorty, artist. All right? And it's very detailed. It's all about the money behind mass incarceration in your prison industry. Everybody thought it was funny when you locked me up. I don't hear you laughing no more. That's Malcolm Ruff. And when I see y'all in public, I be checking y'all. I holler mic check. So 2026, same thing make you laugh, gonna make you cry. I'm building toilets. Now I'm making it personal. I'm building toilets for politicians, called potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. The toilets are props for the movie, Letters Design. The toilets are props for the movie. And it's covered under the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. Artscape 2026. Jinx says she ready for this. Your graduating class, 2026, all right? Monopoly, the money behind mass incarceration. I gave you a diorama. That's Barbara Mikulski, 2009. That's David Trone. That's also Brooks and Bank of America. And that's Vanessa Attenberry, all right? Potty training politicians. You're gonna be my poster child for 2026. Y'all running for office, so I'm gonna build toilets for the politics and the politicians. And these are gonna be y'all's tombstones. And these are gonna be your endorsements. We're gonna say goodnight to racism and hello to freedom. And we're gonna use the toilet to do it. You feel me? A toilet to do it. Same thing make you laugh, gonna make you cry. We're gonna say goodnight to racism. Like I said, I'm making a toilet for each and every one of y'all. Cause y'all participated in my illegal incarceration. I'm not Emmett Till. I don't stutter when I talk. I told y'all I was making a movie. And the movie was about our elected officials. You can ask Mr. Muse. You can ask Mr. Acevera, all right? Ask him. Everybody on this paper, it's the 2026 session. It's been 20 years a slave. You feel me? 20 years a slave. So when y'all see y'all's campaign signs and you see a toilet right next to it, it's perfectly legal. Scott Schellenberger made it legal for me to shit on politicians. Wherever y'all at, whatever y'all do, you feel me? Wherever y'all go, I can leave a toilet and ain't nothing that you can do about it. You got to accept it the same way that I did. Because you have 20 years to rectify this situation. You had 20 years to change this. It's right here. Maryland's prison industry. O'Malley and Brown's money machine. Right there. And that's ABC 2. And that's in 2010 before I got locked up. That's Barbara Mikulski's office. All right. 2009. That's Speaker Jones. That's also Brooks. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Governor Blagojevich. Right there. And that's Commissioner Worley. Juneteenth coming. Freedom ain't never free. Freedom, you got something you got to fight for. That's Fern Shen. That's the Baltimore Fox 45. That's Jane Miller. All right. All you got to do is track the mail number. See when she got it. That's the Baltimore Sun, the Baltimore Banner, and the Washington Post. That's the Baltimore Sun. Like I said, I'm the cook in Baltimore. Release all the material to the voters. Everything you got. That's Governor O'Malley and parole and probation. So Governor O'Malley had it. So does now Governor Westmore got it. It's election year. That's President Obama and Tom Perez. That's Tom Perez and me. And that's President Obama asking for an investigation. Please allow 30 to 60 days. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's Tony Bridges. He was Governor O'Malley's right-hand man in the community. Remember that. This is evidence in these other cases. And I never got a trial for them. So I want to go to court. Illinois and Maryland. Federal violations. All right. See who got that? Mail receipts tie all y'all together. I was insured when I did this for $1 million. I was insured. And Malcolm Ruff had this. Frank Conway's office destroyed evidence. And it's all about Scott Schellenberger. All right? Here are the charges. And if you go directly to Judge Karen, she got them. So does Commissioner Harris. So does Commissioner Worley and Mayor Brandon Scott. Shorty, pull your mask up. Turn over the paperwork. That's Commissioner Harris right there. Feel me? Kidnapping. Kidnapping by the state. And the police got this information. See the police? See the police? I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace. Juneteenth celebration. Yeah, right here.